You're pretty from your band. Walk out and you're not try hard. Them girls that are pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the grandma, you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right.
Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shana, the girl. What's going on? Wagwan. So today, from the title, you know so what I come with. You already know already. So yes, it's a thrift store haul, right? So it's gonna be like a mini try on thrift store haul. Just pretty much have like 2 or 3 things to try on, but either this video will be posted before the vlog, or this will be posted after the vlog. But anyway, it showed that I was in the vlog. It showed that I was going to the thrift store, was looking for something in particular which I did not find. I ended up getting a few deals. So I'm gonna go through with you some of the things that I got at the thrift store. Yes, this bag is brand new. I got it. So I will show you how I got it. Also, before we go ahead, please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button to know when I upload new video, you know what I mean? Yes. Also hit the thumbs up button as well. And if you have any question, link it below into the comment bar, you know what I say? Alright, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so a few of the things that I mentioned into my vlog that I got from the thrift store. So I went to 2 thrift stores. I was looking for something in particular, which is the wreath to make my diva light. So I did not find it, but I did stumble upon a few deals that I'm like, do I want it, do I not? And then I was like, yes, I want it. Right, so I am gonna go through with you some of the deals that I got. Hey, I'm gonna leave the clothes for the last. It's not a lot of things, that's why I'm mentioning the title. It's a mini haul. Right, that goes with my stuff, and I'm gonna think I have the price for these. Yeah, also have the price for these as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is this bag that I got. I for one love these type of bags, either with zip or without zip. This one just have a velcro on it, right, to just snap it together. The reason why, because I have my son, and sometimes if we're going somewhere, I can just, you know, put snacks, whatever I need into this. And this is nice, and this is brand new. I'm gonna tell you how much I got it for this was at the Salvation Army. I got it for 99 cents. I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but I got it for 99 cents from the Salvation Army. They had a lot more, but I only needed 2. I was thinking if I should buy more and, you know, give it away to my family member or friend that I have. And I love the pink inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I love the pink inside, man, and it big. Well, I mean it big. You probably can fit a pillow, one of these pillow behind me, into it. That's how big it is. You know what I mean? Put it over my head. Yeah, but it's brand new. Definitely brand new. This is just the Salvation Army sticker on it. It has the tag on it, and it has the wrapping paper on it. So about 2 of them. So because I didn't buy any plastic bag at thrift store, so I just told her to put the clothing that I bought at the thrift store into this bag. So this is how it looked with just about 3 clothing into it. Let me see if I can, just so you can see it. So that's how it look. It's not 100% fancy, but it feels good. It feels good, and it looks cute to me. Okay, and both of them I got for, as I said, 99 cents. So both of them come up to $1.98. Good price, right? Good price. So the next thing is, because I do nursing, and I'm gonna be working somewhere else that requires that I don't really have to wear like one plain color uniform, which I'm so happy about. I can change it up. So I saw this, I'm like, yo, this look good. I need to buy this scrub. This look me scrub, yo. Either I'm wear this on a day that I'm working with children, or I just wear it whenever I want, you know what I mean? This is the good thing that I like about the work that I'm going to do. The other job that I'm going to do is that I can wear whatever color scrub that I want to wear, and I'm so happy about it. So let's talk price. and this was at the Salvation Army as well. So the price for this is $9.99. You're probably saying, yo, that's too expensive, but hold on, actually it's brand new. If you can see, the sticker is there, brand new. And then you have the original tag here, but they took the price off the tag because you can see that them rip it to rip off the actual price on it. But I think I have one more scrub that actually have the price on it. But scrub like these in Walmart normally go for like $35. So me getting it for $10, that is a good deal, and it's brand new, even better. Okay guys, so this is the minion ones. Just how it look. Yes ma'am, rocking it in style. So this scrub now is a blue one, and this, all of them is flexible, flex fit, adjustable. Flex, this one them says flex fit. This is a different material from the other one. I really love this one. It just looks, I don't know if you can see, I'll probably try it on for you guys to see as well, but it has the black on the side is more stretchy, and this is good, right? So let's talk price with this one. Also, before we go into price, this one is brand new as well. It do have the sticker on it, and this one has the original sticker on it, and it was from Walmart. I know Walmart brand them, and you can tell that this was at Walmart, and you can even see that they discounted it at Walmart because it has like that yellow sticker on it. But you know, you can see that then they rip it off. But anyway, let's get into the price of this one. So this one is also $9.99, $10. Them not give back 1 cent, so it's $10. Yes, it's brand new, and I think this one was the one that had the price on it. Oh no, there was one that was there that has the tag on it, like the original tag, and it had the price on it, and it said $32. So I got a really good deal on that. So I got 2 scrub. I have a lot more scrub, a lot more brand new scrub, but as I say, I like to buy, like whenever I see them on sale, I like to buy them. Then you have the scrub. This is the blue one. Yeah, how am I gonna packet this? Yeah, this is a small packet. The blue one, but I love that it has a lot of space into it, you know what I mean? So because I always buy top, I decide to say, listen Shana, you need to buy bottom. Not my bottom, I need to buy pants bottom to go with my scrub. So these pants I got at the same Salvation thrift store. I got these for $6.99. Right, I was looking to see if I could get one that's cheaper because I'm a big body, as we Jamaican call, because I'm a big body, nothing hardly can fit me. Moving on to Valley Village, I went over to Valley Village seeing if I could find a wreath over there. Wreath. Am I saying go wreath? I went over Village Square to see if I could find a wreath over there. Did not find it. I saw a Christmas one like that is already decorated, but I don't want those ones. So I say okay, whatever, me just look around. So look around, find a few things that I wanted. So I'm going to the winter section to see what sweater them have, because I love sweater. I love sweater. I mean, I love like just a waist, like come down to the waist side sweater. I love a sweater that comes all the way down to my leg, you know what I mean? Nice. I see this peach looking one. I don't know if you can see the color good, but this peach looking one, me I tell you, me fall in love the same time me see it, right? So the size this is large, and I'm an extra large, a little bit more than that, extra large, depending on what type of clothing. So me say large, Jesus, this can't fit me, I know, right? But me say, you know what, me try this on before me go, because me love the color. I love how it just looks simple, and it's reasonable. It was a good price. So I say, you know what, me try it on. It fit. Looking at the mirror, how it look, family, it look good. That's what I say, yeah man, this is for me, you know what I mean? Love it. Right, yes. So for this one I got it for $8.99. Yes, I got it for $8.99, but I had a coupon that I used 30% off with my coupon. So me get it down to either $5 or something. I think around $5. I think so. And this is how it look. You know what I mean? Obviously I have to go wear underarm blouse underneath it because I like when my bra print out, so this is fine. That's how it look. You know what I mean? So the next thing I have is this, what we must call this now, Lord Jesus. It's not a scarf. Why does I call it a nice cover? Cover up, right? Oh my gosh, we can't believe it. We don't even remember what this name. But anyway, this nice cover up, I saw it and I say instantly the brown and then the little gold into it, it just draw me attention. I mean, it draw me attention, me I say, listen to me, I go try you on and you better can fit. It says size small, so when it says size small, I say, Lord God, again. Right, but that did not intimidate me. I say, you know what, I'm gonna push me through this and try it on and see if it fit, right? Because I just your head, you need to push through it, right? And you know, it's just like a cover, because when we go to church and stuff like that, me feel chilly and me wish I may have just something look more fancy, you know what I mean? So when me see this now, I say, me not leave this, you know, me not leave this at all. I'm not leaving this. So the color looks good. Me love the color, the brown and the gold, right? Me have a few things we can go with this. So you know, this is how it look. It look nice. I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see how it look, you know, a quick try on. And this one was cheaper than the sweater. This is $6.99 and $6.99. I didn't get it for $6.99, probably get it for $4 or something because I got 30% off. Guys, so I'm all done, I'm all finished, me done, me finito, me finished with this one. So check me into my other videos, and thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please remember to hit the like button if you like to. Also comment below anything you want to see me do, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Until you see me again next time, I'm out.